How to create a download element with UNOY. Go to your page node, press Add New Element and select File Download. You can rename the download element by double-clicking on its name. If you want to add files your users will be able to download, go to the Start node, click on Files in Module, and drag or select files you want to upload. Choose a file. As soon as it's uploaded, go back to your page node, select the download element, and now you can select your uploaded file and it will be ready for your users to download. If you want to add a caption, press Caption. If you want to add a description, press Description. Select Visible in Result Data if you want to see what files your users downloaded in your dataset you find in your dashboard. Let's save and press Preview to have a look at the download element we created. That's the caption, that's the file available for download, and here you see the description. The download will work when the module is released. To learn how to create a release, please check out the tutorial on releases on our YouTube channel or use the help section of the UNOY app. Let's have a look at the advanced section. Press Advanced to open a drop-down menu. Here you can change the responsiveness of the element, change the style by using a class tag in CSS, change the size of your download element field, add a comment for your colleagues, or create a condition. To create a condition, press Create a Condition, press Add a Condition, choose a system variable or reference a user's input, select an operator, add a value or a system variable or a user's input. Thank you. That's it for the download element. Check out more tutorials on our YouTube channel or find help in the help section of the UNOY app. Thank you.